up? It's Taylor. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm so excited to be filming today because this is going to be a self-care focused video. I honestly was kind of in a funk last week for some reason, but I'm finally feeling more like myself. So I wanted to pick up the camera today and take you guys along with me throughout all of my errands that I need to do. As you guys saw, my boyfriend and I went on a walk this morning. We've been doing that for the past few days and it's been so nice. We just get up and go on a walk because we just want to get some fresh air, get our bodies moving, and we've actually been using the time to like talk about our goals and say some positive affirmations as well. But now I need to do my daily stretching. Ari and I have been stretching every single morning. Like, we've been so consistent and I've actually been seeing like a major improvement. Look at this. I could never do that before. I could only go to like here, but now I can like easily grab my toes. Like, this is so cool. And look how close I am to touching my toes. This is like a major goal of mine. I'm trying to get there. Never been able to do this like literally my whole life. So, oh my gosh, I'm so close. So I'm about to head out pretty quick. I need to stop at Ulta for a few things, and I also really want to get my eyebrows threaded. I hope they're not too busy today and can get me in, but yeah, they're literally terrible. Like, I'm just so over them, and they're so much harder to fill in when they're not like shaped properly. But I wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing today. So it's this two-toned denim jacket. It's so cool, from Misguided, and under it I have this like white crop top also from Misguided, then some Boohoo joggers, and I threw on my Fila's. I've been starting to wear them more. I like stopped wearing them for so long, but I think they're so cute with these joggers. So yeah, just a very comfy casual fit. Hey guys, I just got out of Ulta, so I want to quickly show you what I got. I just got like 3 things. So first of all, I needed some more self-tanner. So I just got my Loving Tan 2 Hour Express in the shade Dark. Literally the best self-tanner of life. Then I also needed more of my brow product. This is just Brow Wiz in the shade Dark Brown, my favorite. And lastly, I got some all-nighter setting spray. This is just the travel size one and it's ultra matte. I'm going to Florida for Thanksgiving, so I thought this might be helpful because it's gonna be super humid out there. So I want my makeup to last. Alright, I'm about to get my eyebrows done. Here's a little before. Look how overgrown they are. That literally took like 5 minutes. They are so quick, but they are so much cleaner now. I love them. It always feels like they're literally ripping out your whole entire eyebrow, so I get so scared. And then after, they're just like perfect, so. I got this Starbucks double shot energy drink. These are literally crack. They're so freaking good, but I rarely get them, so I thought I would treat myself today on this self-care day. And while I'm drinking this, I'm actually going to call my mom for a little bit and just say hi, because sometimes I get a little stressed out when I don't talk to my family members for a little bit. I mean, it hasn't been that long, but it's getting there, so I just want to call, say hi, check in. So if you have a loved one that you haven't talked to in a little bit, definitely call them, because honestly, it makes me feel a lot better, and I'm sure it makes their day as well, so. Time to do my workout of the day. I've been really trying to be more consistent again, so I'm going to be doing a booty workout with some 5-pound ankle weights on. These are actually a lot heavier than you would think. And I'm going to do an ab workout. But yeah, I've just been doing home workouts lately. It's just been helping me be more consistent. I definitely will get back in the gym eventually because I do like going on the stair climber, and I obviously want to start lifting heavier for the booty, but right now this is just what's working for me, so I'm just going with it. Currently making some dinner. This has been like my go-to meal right now. It's so good. It's just a salad with olives, chickpeas, zucchini, and this Trader Joe's Greek style feta dressing. It's so yummy. Nala has to land every box, oh my gosh. But I forgot to tell you guys that we bought this giant round mirror that we're gonna put up right across from the kitchen counter. I think it's gonna look so good for the entryway. So I'm really excited. We're gonna try to put it up right now. So wish us luck. Okay, we just hung it up. So here it is. Let me know what you guys think because we're like a little iffy on it. I don't know. Like, I kind of like it. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you have any better suggestions on what we should put in this space, let me know, please. Actually gonna end off the night by reapplying my self tanner because I just love being tan, so I need to do this. I am using obviously my Loving Tan, my back applicator. This is from Loving Tan as well, and it's so good. I don't even have Ari help me apply it on my back anymore, and then I just have my Loving Tan mitt and we're good to go. Clothes on. I'm gonna apply the self tanner to my face later once I take off my makeup, but yeah, I'm just gonna chill out. I was gonna watch something, but I don't really like, there's nothing that I really want to watch, so I actually think I'm going to finish reading the book that I've been reading. It's called The Guest List. It's really good. It's like a thriller. I'm just obsessed with thrillers. Reading it on iBooks as always. I just love everything digital. I apologize for all the talking in the back. My boyfriend is on a business call right now, but I was gonna say that I do want to read an inspirational book after this one, so if you have any suggestions, holla at your girl. I'm getting so sleepy, but I need to go do my skincare, brush my teeth, wash off this tan. Oh my gosh, that sounds like a lot. But I really hope you guys enjoyed today's chill vlog. I've been feeling a lot better, just like more like myself. I hate when you're like just like super down and like in a rut. It's like the worst. But I'm happy that I started doing like all of my good habits. I've been staying consistent with them, and it started just making me feel a lot better. Today's honestly been such a great day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye.